In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to create presentations, send personalized messages, or simply capture important moments in your chats. Recording yourself on Teams is a powerful feature that can make your communications more dynamic and engaging. So let's dive right into how you can do this in just a few easy steps. First, you need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by heading over to the Teams website or opening the app if you have it installed already. Make sure you are signed in to your Microsoft account, the same one you use for work or personal communications. Having your login information easily accessible will make this process smoother. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, navigate to the chat section. This is where you can access all of your conversations. From your chat list, select the chat you want to record in. It could be an ongoing conversation, a new chat with a single person, or even a group chat. Selecting the right chat window is crucial, as the recording will be attached to this specific conversation. Now, look at the upper part of the chat window. You'll notice a series of icons, but the one we need to focus on is the plus icon, which usually signifies adding or expanding options. Click on this icon to unveil a menu with additional features you can include in your chat. Among these options, you should find something labeled as Record Video Clip. This feature is what allows you to capture video of yourself directly within Microsoft Teams. Click on Record Video Clip, and you will activate your webcam. At this stage, ensure your camera is properly connected and set up. Make sure your environment is well lit, and your background is appropriately tidy for whatever message you're aiming to capture. Some built-in features can help blur the background for privacy, just in case. After clicking on this option, you can now start recording. Ensure you're speaking clearly and at a moderate pace, not too fast and not too slow. If you make a mistake, you can always stop the recording and start over. Practice makes perfect. Remember to save your recording once you're finished. This option is typically visible as an icon on the screen. Your recorded clip will then be conveniently available within your chat, ready for you or others to view whenever needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to effectively utilize Microsoft Teams to record yourself, adding a personal touch to your communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tip helps enhance your Teams experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy recording!